What's going on, Dividend Chasers? It's the Dividend Bloodhound here with another investing episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about my Freetrade basic account, the account where all your free share referrals that you guys use, and I appreciate massively, goes. It's never had a penny of my own money go into it apart from the £1 setup fee that initially went in. So everything in this account is purely from your guys' generosity and helping me out with this channel, and I really appreciate that massively. If this video brings you some value, please hit that like button in the corner there, or if you're brand new to this channel, never seen me before, I'm the Dividend Bloodhound, and I'd massively appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button in the corner there, and even ring that notification bell so you get notified when I release brand new content in the future. That being said, let's actually go in, have a look at my portfolio, see what free shares I gained, what I sold, what I kept, and where I repurposed the money that I raised. And let's get in there and have a look. Catch you in there. Again, guys, thank you for joining me in the next part of this video, and you join me in my Freetrade basic account portfolio. Currently worth £82.36p and up £74.01 since I started this journey. As you can see, its constituents at the moment are 9 shares of City of London based on a value of £29.51 or 1.81% down, or 54p, currently worth £3.28. Got high yield corporate bonds valued at £17.56, 1.1% up for 2 shares, 19p up. Got American investment linked to the UK economy with JP Morgan. Got 3 shares of these, £13.74 or 12.84% up, or £1.50, currently worth £4.58. Got 4 shares of Crest Nicholson, currently worth £9.82, 30% down at the moment, or £4, currently worth £2.46 each. FTSE 100, £5.95 just for the 1 share, 3.7% up, or 21p. Standard Life is next, a private equity trust worth £2.87 for this 1 singular free share that I've got. Does pay a dividend, so I'm happy to keep it. It's got one share, 17% down, or 59 pence. And then we're into the 2 fund stocks here. Aston Martin, 2 shares of this one, currently worth 72p. I paid 50p a share. 27.72 down, just for a bit of fun. I'm just going to keep these whether they go to 0 or whether they come back and they're worth £2 or £3 a share, just for a little bit of fun to say that I own Aston Martin shares. And last but not least, Cineworld, currently worth 59p, paid 77 for it, so I'm down 23.27% or 18p, but I expect cinema to recover in the long term as people are allowed out and actually get to go to the cinema again in the future. That should spark a recovery in the share price. And then you can see I've got a queued order there for another free share, which generously used by somebody on my Instagram. And then I've got a small watch list here, but the main targets on this watch list are S&P UK high dividend and Euro Stoxx high dividends as well. They're my main targets, but I have to get a pretty decent share to be able to get hold of them. So they're a target for the future. Thanks for rejoining me, guys. So I'll just take you over to the activity section and back to the jolly old end of April, where I last updated you guys on this one. So since then I've received a dividend in Standard Life private equity, a free share in PayPoint, a free share in American investment, a free share in UK property, 2 free shares and in Rightmove, and a free share in Money Supermarket. As you can probably see, I mainly sold most of these off. So I sold UK property, I sold Barrett, which I had from before. I sold PayPoint, and I sold Money Supermarket. And in turn, I used that to buy high yield corporate bonds, shares in City of London Investment Trust. Shares in City of London Investment Trust. I sold Centamin because it was up like 30%. And yeah, I rehashed all that money, recycled all that money to buy basically City of London and high yield corporate debt. I received 2 dividends, Centamin just after I sold it of 9p and American Investments of 8p. And that leaves the portfolio looking exactly how you've just seen. The top 3 positions are City of London Investment Trust, high yield corporate bonds and American Investment. And that wraps us up for this little video, and I'll catch you back in the real world. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the real world. Thank you very much for watching and sticking around to the end of this video. I really need the watch time, so I appreciate your endurance in doing so. Also, I know it sounds like I'm offering a lot of thank yous right now, but I really do appreciate every single one of you for being supportive of this channel, and this little portfolio here would not be possible without the referral links being used by you guys, or advertising that's happened through you guys liking my videos or seeing me on Instagram, etc. So I just wanted to say from the bottom of my heart a massive thank you for getting this channel to where it is today, and I hope to continue growing and continue bringing great content to all of you in the very near future. Hopefully you've already liked the video, so you don't have to do that, but if you haven't, please do so now. And if you're brand new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please get on that now as well. And if you're feeling super generous, please hit that notification bell. And that pretty much wraps us up for this video, and I will see you in the very next one. Appreciate it massively. I'll see you all soon.